Natural disasters, like hurricanes, can strike without warning, and being prepared can save your life. With the recent hurricane in Florida, here are some essential health and safety tips to protect yourself and your loved ones. Tip 1. Prepare an emergency kit. Have a disaster kit ready with essentials like water, non-perishable food, medications, first aid supplies, and flashlights. Make sure you have enough to last at least 3 days. Tip 2. Know your evacuation routes. Be aware of your community's evacuation routes and shelters. If authorities recommend evacuation, follow their advice immediately. Tip 3. Stay informed. Keep up with weather updates through reliable sources like your local news or emergency radio. Staying informed can help you make quick decisions. Tip 4. Protect your health. Ensure you have enough of your essential medications and medical supplies. Keep them in waterproof containers to avoid damage. Tip 5. Avoid floodwater. Floodwater can be contaminated and dangerous. Avoid walking or driving through it, as it can carry debris or be deeper than it looks. Tip 6. Mental health during a disaster. Disasters can take a toll on your mental health. Stay connected with loved ones and practice deep breathing or meditation to manage anxiety during these stressful times. Host, you. Being prepared can make all the difference during a disaster. Stay safe, take precautions, and follow these life-saving tips. For more health advice, don't forget to follow professional health for daily tips to keep you and your family healthy and safe.